In front of me is Lenovo Idea Tab Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Biometrics and Password. Then tap on Passwords here and click on one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. Now create it. Repeat it to confirm it, and when you're ready, hit Done. Then click on one of those options, tap Done again. And now when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!